All right, I'm going to try to do a head-to-head comparison with the flashlights on. Got the Vertical 2 here, the Instinct 3, and Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED. And let's see which flashlight is actually brighter. All right, so we'll start with the Vertical 2. And that's at 50%, 75%, and that's at 100%. And then we're going to back down from that. 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and then red. Red gets pretty bright on the Vertical 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Fenix 8. All right, that's at 50%. 75%, and then that would be 100%. So the Fenix 8 gets really bright. We're going to back down from that. 100%, 75, 50, 25, and red. So definitely think the Vertical 2, in red light mode anyway, is the brightest. Fenix 8, between the two, in white light mode, definitely gets brighter. And let's go for the Instinct. That's going to be the Instinct 3. It's at 50%. 75 and 100, 75, 50, 25, and red mode. $25, $50, $75, and $100. So if we go down the red mode, definitely think the Vertical 2 gets the brightest in red mode. The Fenix 8 definitely gets brighter in the white light, for sure. So let's see them, all three of them at 100%. So this is going to be the Instinct 3 at 100%. Fenix 8. I'll take that up to 100%. And the Vertical 2 at 100%. Fenix 8 definitely wins the category in the white light, 100%. Vertical 2 is definitely brighter in the red light.